Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through replacing an electric water heater. Not the whole job, but the teaser version. Enough that you can decide whether this is a Saturday for you or whether you want a plumber in the driveway. Here's the scene. Water is pooling around the base of the tank. Or the tank is over 12 years old and you're being proactive, or it's rumbling and popping when it heats. If water is on the floor, the tank has rusted through and it's replacement only. But the single biggest mistake I see: homeowners replace a tank that just needed a reset. Before you buy anything, diagnose. Is the tank actually leaking, or is it just cold? If it's cold with no leak, pop the breaker back on, then press the red high limit reset button under the upper access panel. Half the dead heaters I've seen come back with that one button. If that doesn't do it, test the elements. $15 each, not $1,500. But if the tank is leaking, here's what the job actually looks like. You kill the 2-pole 240 volt breaker. You confirm 0 volts at the terminals with a non-contact tester and a multimeter. 240 volts is the thing on this job that can kill you. You shut off the cold supply at the top of the tank. You hook a garden hose to the drain valve. You open a hot tap upstairs to break the vacuum and let the tank drain. 15 to 30 minutes for 40 gallons. You disconnect the cold and hot flex connectors, then the wiring in the junction box at the top. You wrestle the old tank out and set the new one in the drain pan. You install new flex connectors, fresh Teflon tape on the threads. You wire it back up, ground to the green screw. And here's the step that fries elements if you skip it. Before the breaker goes back on, open a hot tap upstairs, then slowly open the cold supply to fill the tank. Let air out until water flows steadily with no sputter. Only then do you energize. The traps on this job: flipping the breaker on before the tank is full, burning the elements in seconds. Reusing the old flex connectors, forgetting the T&P discharge pipe, setting the temperature above 120, and skipping the 30-day warranty registration. And one more thing: if your voltage tester keeps beeping after the breaker is off, stop. Your wiring is wrong somewhere. Close the panel and call an electrician. The guide tells you exactly when to walk away. For the full step-by-step the air purge sequence and the 5 situations where you hire, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.